Hi everyone, Shehan, Wicks, Audi Sport Expert at Audi Midtown, just down the street. I'm going to talk today about the power of referrals. What we do here at Pro is sometimes we have a Pro meet where we meet up each other at our businesses. And our lawyer of the group, Glenn Riddler, a fantastic lawyer in Aurora, came and visited me with his lovely wife. And she came by and I just saw her and I just bypassed him. And I was like, oh my gosh, you're here. And they came and visited me on Saturday through the powerful media, social media. They saw me posting something and they dropped by. And later on, basically to make a quick story short, they're picking up a new vehicle today. Just from a small visit, but I introduced them to the manager who gave them a lovely Aurora and Pro Meet discount, and they got a fantastic deal on a vehicle. So congratulations to Pro Meet.
Thank you.
And for successfully just dropping by. Yeah, so that is the power of our Pro group, and a Pro Meet can result in one transaction, and also my manager is looking for a new lawyer and got his business card. So, thank you everyone. I have a drive for your business.